Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got kind of a weird mystery box slash things I can't help but order type order. Things I can't help myself around kind of thing. And it's I can't remember where it's from. I think Victoria. Yeah, Creme. Charlotte Piper, who makes Fudge and chocolate and Rocky Road and stuff like that. They had a mystery box, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get the mystery box and open it on the channel because then A, I get Fudge and B, I get a surprise, yay. But when I ordered it, I also ordered some of their Christmas stuff because, I was like, they've got Christmas stuff. This was the beginning of October, maybe, I'm not sure. So I ordered this one, which is Christmas cake fudge with a picture of Christmas pudding on, anyway, and gingerbread fudge. Felt good. Anyway, I did not realise that meant that my order would be delayed until the beginning of December because I ordered Christmas stuff. But here we are, receiving it today. I've already showed you the Christmas portion, which is, these are very large pieces of fudge. What I usually do is cut them up, if we have people, and if not. We've already broken into this one. This came in one of the boxes I bought, which is, focus, is creme brulee fudge, and it's very naughty. Let's put it that way. It's already been broken into because it came out of this box, which was called the stay home box, which I assume they brought out because of the lockdowns and stuff like that. So this was a smaller box, and some of this will be going into Christmas gifts because I shouldn't be left alone with this amount of fudge and chocolate. So in here was the creme brulee bar, and then there was also this one, which is something we don't want to focus on again. Irish cream and chocolate. Just chocolate. And their Belgian milk chocolate. And I've got two, I think they're called additive bars that they make. One is macadamia and one is Rocky Road, which my Rocky Road is not anything like that, but maybe it tastes wonderful. I can't remember how much all that was together, but it was a lot cheaper than buying pieces individually. I'm pretty sure one of those fudges is $13 or $11 or $13. I did actually, as soon as I saw this and saw the creme brulee, I did actually remember that one of the local stores, which is an independent like grocer, it's called Causley's, has that, and I bought it a few months ago, and I think it cost me $18. I don't know why. Probably because I'm an idiot. Okay, that's those. Now, this is the mystery box, which I assume is also full of fudge. So I hope everybody who's receiving Christmas gifts from me this year is ready to receive fudge. Nicely packaged. Oh, it's even got its own bit of cooling paraphernalia. Holy shit. I just want to show you how packed this box is. Oh my god. Okay, I will look up the order and tell you how much this box was. I can't remember, but it looks like a good deal. Okay, well, let's start on the top. This is coffee latte fudge. Coconut ice. Fudge. Oh good lord. Another Irish cream, so yeah, we'll keep one and give one of those away, definitely. And raspberries and cream. Okay, and we also have 2 slabs of milk Rocky Road, which actually does look a lot more like Rocky Road than Rocky Road flat bar, so that's good. Now, what else have we got? This one is white chocolate with what looks like freeze-dried raspberries. These are all 50 grams, these little ones. And the same but milk. And, oh, white chocolate with blueberry. And also raspberry, I think. It says blueberry, but that looks like it's also got raspberry on it. Yeah, it says dried mixed berries, but they've put with blueberry. There's definitely 2 colours on the top of that. And another one of those. So somebody's definitely getting one of those for Christmas as well. So, if anybody wants some fudge, let me know. Maybe we should try some of this. I like the only one I've tried so far is the creme brulee one, which is really good. But if I try 7 fudges, I'm liable to have some sort of sugar coma. So I'm not going to do that. But the one I did try was awesome. It's very soft though. I'll show you. Like I can't even unwrap it. It's really easy. It's super soft. See? It's like stuck to my finger. But really good. It essentially tastes like fudgy icing. So this is pretty much as much as you're allowed to eat. Okay. Anyway, it looks like we've all got fudge for Christmas. Except you, really. No fudge for you. Because if I'm going to have a sugar coma, you're definitely going to have a sugar coma. Jeez. Guys, editing me, I just wanted to hop in right here with my new hair and tell you how much all these things were, because I'm getting it hugely wrong in the video. So, okay, the individual Christmas fudges were $8.50 each. And the mystery box was $75, and the stay-at-home box was $44.50. And that had 6 items in it, and this one, I think the big one, has like 8 or 9 or something in it, so they're a pretty good deal. But it is like, I've dispersed a lot of these fudges between family members for Christmas, because 130 grams of fudge is a lot of fucking fudge. Also, we tried out the milk Belgian chocolate bar, and we kind of like it. You know, it just tastes like milk chocolate. It's quite a nice milk chocolate, but it's nothing to write home about. And let's just say Molly enjoyed the rest of it, because I left it on the coffee table and went out and came back and it was gone. Thankfully it was milk chocolate, and she's a big fat dog, so it didn't have to take her to the vets or anything like that. It's not a huge, hugely cocoa centric bar, so that's fine. Thankfully she hasn't got into anything else. I am still yet to try most of them, but we tried the chocolate and Irish cream fudge recently, and you can taste the booze. It tastes like it's got Baileys in it, let's put it that way. It's quite nice. It wasn't my favourite, like I really like the creme brulee one, but that's essentially like eating icing because I need help. But, you know, it's pretty good. And if you like Baileys, it's the fudge for you. We also have a few others in the cupboard to try like the Christmas ones, because I got those specifically for us to try over Christmas, so if I ever remember I might give you some feedback on those. The rest of them have been either distributed to family members or are lurking in the cupboard waiting to be opened. They're actually pretty difficult to get out of the packaging, so once they're out, they're out. You're committed to 130 grams of fudge. So if you ever order any, just bear that in mind, that you're committing yourself to eating quite a bit of fudge in a short amount of time. And for an Olympian, a chocolate-based sweet person Olympian such as myself, this is fine. But I know not everybody has my gifts. Anyway, I hope you like the new hair. It's a bit messy. This is how my sleep decided it was going to be styled today, and this is actually the style that Instagram chose. So if you were somebody that voted on Instagram, here it is. It's a little bit messy, doesn't have any product in it right now, but guess what, the back of my neck is really happy right now. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this. I hope you've enjoyed this little pop-in at the end to tell you a little bit more detail, because I was not very detail orientated during this video. I think I was kind of tired, pretty much like I am now, but more. Anyway, see you tomorrow, bye.